Hey guys, Joe here. Welcome back to another video. Guys, wow, we are so nice to finally be back. My computer was broken for a while, so I've built in a house right here, really near this lovely shipwreck. I won't give you a house tour. I don't want to bore you. Just straight get into the video. Won't talk about the update or anything because I know it's been a while since the update came in. So, gonna start off this in survival. Got my new skin as well. Good skin, isn't it? Bada bing bong. So let's get started. We need building a house. Need to spawn. Okay. Now we can go off adventuring. Actually, wait. We need some snacks. I'll bring a few steaks. Where shall we adventure today? I'm gonna just take an iron sword. If you need replaced. Oh, I'll use inventory. Keep. So, what? Keep inventory. True. Okay, that doesn't work. Oh dear. A bit loud for me, so I'm just gonna turn down sound. Oh no. Okay, let's go out adventuring. I know there are chests in here. I already gathered the things, but I lost them. Oh no! I need this. Phew. I thought there was more than one chest. I only got one. Alright, let's go out adventuring, guys. Wait, can you? Oh, you can use swords for this. You know how you can't destroy blocks of swords? Need to get hungry. I want to eat the kelp. Ah, the kelp. I'm just cutting it, not actually getting the whole thing. Making it a bit shorter. Oh yes, I'm hungry. I'll show you guys that you can eat kelp. Oh, you can't. Oh, I know why. Let me just gather some wood, guys. I'll show you in a minute. I know you can skin the wood, by the way. If you just click it instead, look. Oh yay, more kelp. And it doesn't actually take any durability off your sword, which is a good way to collect food. But you have to have a furnace to actually be able to eat it. And I can't do Roblox, guys. That's the thing that made my computer break. So yeah. Right, I've got more than a stack. I'll go You need a furnace to dry the thingies. What do you... Oh. Okay. Let's go, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna call this place. Poppy! There are poppies here! This is so good! I need these. Yes, they're poppies. They're actually poppies here, guys. Best time ever. Wait, we can't. Just need to... I don't know why I did. Need more dirt. Yay! Watch this, guys. Can we burn sand? Can we burn sand? Yes, dry kelp, look. I'll give you a link in the description below. I love dried kelp, it's so good. This is my punch bag, by the way. Punch, punch, punch. Hi, I'm a punch bag. Nice to meet you. Not nice to meet you, punch bag. So yeah, guys, check out my cousin's videos, VMRG236. I'll leave a link in the description, or the name in the description. Let's do this, y'all. We're good. We are good. We are good. Oh man. Yeah, the dried kelp pit. Yes, more wood. Yeah, wood. Wood. No. Oh, there's dried kelp blocks. Yes, I'm gonna use that to keep my dried kelp. I'm gonna keep my dried kelp in the dried kelp block. I'm gonna go get a... It's not time. Sleep. No. The bed's too far away. Yeah. See that, guys? Okay, watch this, watch this. Right. Whatcha? I'm sorry if I'm not talking. Right. No! That's sand. No? No sand? What about steak? You can burn the steak, can't you? So. No? You can actually burn wooden tools. Ah! I'm glitching. Oh, phew. Come on. Ooh, wood. Nyeh. Da da da. Da da da. Wood. Some of these trees are already broken from the resources I needed to build my house. Let's go. We needed a crafting table, so I got one. I'm gonna put it here. Wait, that's not how you make the kelp block. Oh! We need more kelp! This is where I'm gonna keep all my kelp. And these 3 kelp blocks. Look. This is where I keep all my kelp. Wait a minute. Can I not get my kelp back? Oh, phew. That's good. I'm gonna put my kelp... I'm gonna put it here. Oh, because this is the C section, so yeah. The kelp needs to go here. Wait a minute, I'm still recording. Oh, sorry, my guys. Oh my goodness. Oh no. The community, they're gonna be angry with me. I'm gonna drown. You get to watch me drown. I was so mean, guys. So mean to you. I wasn't talking at all. I wasn't talking at all. Just gonna put these here. They'll probably still be there when I die. Just getting to kelp. Even though I'm gonna drown. Haha, I'm alive. Well, guys, I think we're gonna end the video.